we're just going to have a little go, obviously taking the wheelchair access side of things of this vehicle, pulling it out, and with this one, there's a little twizzle knob here. That basically enables us to move it into position. We unclip everything. Yeah. Which then obviously pulls everything out. Now underneath here you have got some legs that can be moved up and down. So if you ever need to have a bit of a different angle, always try and have a nice flat surface. If you're on any angles or anything like that, that's when obviously it can become quite tricky. With this as well, it's not the easiest height to deal with. It can obviously need maybe multiple people to be able to obviously use this side of things. Just think about as well that if you've got somebody pushing somebody up the ramp, normally you're going to want somebody inside the vehicle to receive them on the other side. So then basically you can share the burden. But with this side of things, you've got 4 chairs that are going to need to come out in order to use the wheelchair access. So with these, that's simple. Take it out. So then if you're going to want to obviously take 4 out for the wheelchair access, or if you want to put them back in, try and line them up. Undo. That should be back in. And then this twizzly thing here is your anti-rock. Then just tightens everything. Stops it from rocking. So you see this one is quite loose. But if you just get underneath it, tighten the black turny things, they then solidify quite nicely. So it's nice and simple really. You slide it over, undo all the clips, and then just pull it out.